This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an example of how we could create an ABC book as a group project. So the first step you're going to want to do is access the assignment in Google Classroom from your teacher if she posted it there. And you will notice it is in your Social Studies Google Classroom, and Ms. Whalen even shows you an example of what the ABC page would look like. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google Draw. So you're going to go to your Google Drive and you're going to hit New and More, and you're going to use Google Draw. Now, each student will create each letter page that they're responsible for using Google Draw. Google Draw is a bit easier to insert pictures, text boxes, and other media. So what you're going to want to do here, once it loads, is title the drawing for the letter you're working on. So for instance, Mrs. Whalen's example is for, P is for plantation. So I would put P plantation. Then I would go search for an image, and I can either click the word image here and search, or I can go on Google Images and I can find an image that way and copy and paste it in. Control-C, Control-V if you're using shortcuts. So if I'm going to take this one, I'm going to just take Mrs. Whalen's picture that she has on here, Control-C to copy, go back to my Google drawing, Control-V, put that here. I'm going to go grab the text, and in your case, you're going to write the text. So I'm going to take this P and that line, and then I'm going to make my text. So Mrs. Whalen already gave me a great example. I'm going to take this text here, and I'm going to paste it in. But for you, you can hit this text box and you can write your own text. Now I have my P alphabet page, and you can jazz yours up, make it a little fancier, and then you can go create the next page. Now, when you're going to put this into a Google slideshow, which is what I suggest to make the 26-page book, you will need to have one person create the slideshow. So back to my drive, New, Slides, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and you are not going to insert the Google Draw. Rather, you're going to download this as what's called a JPEG. Download JPEG. Now, whoever has, notice it downloaded it and it shows me, and now I can copy it if I want to the clipboard here. Now I'm going to open up my Google slideshow, and this will serve as my alphabet book group project. I'm going to do layout, blank. And now I'm going to paste my alphabet page. And there it is, the whole thing. And that's how I can decorate that. And now I could set the background color of this slide, or if you want, instead of pasting the image, you can do background, choose an image, and the image that you just downloaded will be in your drive. If you hit recent, it will be right in there as a JPEG. You might need to look for it. So I might need to put P plantation and find it this way. Oh, no images. Or I might need to go into my downloads. So choose an image to upload, and then it should be sitting in my downloads. Ooh, thundering. That's why my computer's so slow. So see downloads here. Here's my P is for plantation. I'm going to double click that. And now it will insert my image that I did in Google Draw as the page. And now you can't touch that or alter it, and it's right there. So this would be the group, and you would share this with your group members. So each person individually will do Google Draws and file download, and then insert them into the shared presentation. And then we could get even fancier as this project goes on and put some background sound and music to your presentations. Have fun, kids.